In the end, these things matter most. How well did you love? How fully did you live? How deeply did you let go? There is no fire like greed, no crime like hatred, no sorrow like separation, no sickness like hunger of heart, and no joy like the joy of freedom. A jug fills drop by drop. To conquer oneself is the greatest task than conquering others. Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts. The less you respond to negative people, the more peacefully your life will become. To be idle is a short road to death, and to be diligent is a way to life. Foolish people are idle, wise people are diligent. The way is not in the sky, the way is in the heart. To abstain from lying is essentially wholesome. Hatred doesn't cease by hatred, but only by love. This is a general rule. An insincere and evil friend is more to be feared than a wild beast. A wild beast may wound your body, but an evil friend will wound your mind. There is nothing so disobedient as an undisciplined mind, and there is nothing so obedient as a disciplined mind. They keep it under control. Even death is not to be feared by one who has lived wisely. Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. Don't overrate what you have received, nor envy others. He who envies others doesn't obtain peace of mind. To be rich is not the end, but a means to accomplish an end. The end is human life. He who loves 50 people has 50 woes. He who loves no one has no woes. One who acts on the truth is happy in this world and beyond. In the sky, there is no distinction of east and west. People create distinctions out of their own minds and then believe them to be true. Teach this triple truth to all: a generous heart, kind speech, and a life of service and compassion are the things which renew humanity.